to the Unlimited Linux Command Line Guide for Beginners. In this comprehensive session, we will cover plethora of essential commands that will be empower you to negative the terminal like a pro. I am excited to be your guide on this journey through the Linux command. Whether you are just starting looking to expand your skills, we have got something for everyone. Let's dive into dive in. Let's begin with the fundamentals, files and directories commands. Start with the ls command to list the commands of your current directory, and then use a option like -l for a detailed information. Let's run it. There is the details of your every file is shown in -l command. Okay. Native through directory using cd. Remember cd dot dot to move up. Let's we cd. First of all, we run ls command and then move into apple. Okay, apple directory. Move into apple directory. And then ls command, there is no content in apple file. How you back to the previous directory? Okay, let's run cd dot dot. These commands is go to the previous directory. Okay, let's there was a result. Okay, and then next command is mkdir. Create a folder with mkdir. Mkdir mkdir run and create a folder s3 secure 83. There was a folder we are created in this. This is the folder created, and ls command to show the folder where is this. Here is the folder. Okay, and how we can remove rm with the tool use rmdir. Let's rmdir and which was the folder you removed. Place the name s3 secure 83 and then enter. Folder was removed. There is no folder name as s3 secure. And then we are go to the cp command. Cp command is used to copy the content. Okay, these are the all the option of cp command. Copy the content. Okay, and how we can use. First of all, we use ls command and cp and place the which folder you can use to paste this. So we choose apple, and which file you can put into the folder. Okay, a.awk. Okay, awk script, and then enter. And then you specify the file -r as well as -r. Okay, why -r use? The apple was a folder, not a file. Okay, and then enter. Overwrite not non-directory. Cannot overwrite non-directory. So we put the apple. cp command use apple and move into the font directory. Font name d1 directory. Okay, and enter. Recognize the -r. and enter. There is a cd d1, go to cd d1 and ls. There was an apple file, move into the d1. Okay, clear this. And there was a next command was move. Move is a move the file into one folder to another folder. Okay, mv command. Let's check is a help command, and here is the mv command and source, which you can move directory into the another directory. Okay, and then next we use rm, delete files with rm, and add dash r to remove directories. Okay, let's we have run it. And first of all, ls, and which file you delete, remove. Okay, rm awk script we will delete, enter. There was a awk script was deleted. Okay, and you use rm dash r for a directory remove. You can remove directory for dash r option. Okay, and then clear. We have a touch command to create an empty file. You create an empty file, use a touch command. So let's have see touch command, and create a file secure.txt. Touch command creates a empty file, only empty file. This file was created. We see the file secure.txt. Okay, and then next command is as well as create a file. Cat command create a file, and here the name place the name and the directory format. Okay, and then enter. You can write in anything in file, and save the content to control D. Okay, and then clear which content in place in this file to show the cat command, and place the file name and enter. Sorry, .txt format, and then place. There is a content we are placed in the file. Okay, and then next command is pwd. PWD is a printing working directory. PWD stand for printing working directory. Okay, print your location with PWD. Which location, which directory you in? This command show the which directory currently you in. Okay, home and Kali. Okay, and then next command is top. Top command is monitor process. Your machines will all the process are monitored in top command. We have run top command. Okay, these are the process in my computer are running Kali Linux. Which process are running this time? Okay, and then we move into ps command. Clear this. Firstly clear this, and move into ps command. PS command stands for process status. View the process with using ps. Okay, visualize the ps, which process are running in the command prompt, which is the bash top and PS. Lastly, we have a top command, and currently PS command is running. Okay. Then we have a free command to memory use. Monitor a memory use with free command. Okay. You can see the monitor memory which are used in which process. Okay. Use the free. These are the memory and these are the swap memory. Two memories are running on this PC. Okay. Then the next command is ifconfig. Okay. We run the ifconfig. Configure the networks using ifconfig. These are the networks are in our computer system. Okay. These all are the networks are in our computer system and running on this computer in this network. You are now equipped with the powerful essentials of Linux command. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment and discover more. If you found this guide helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring all the bell for more Linux insights. Until next time, happy terminal adventure.